Racing Jazz is started. We have run and gun, break quickly restart, rushing a body out. There is Oak Hill. Peter's Pride comes next. Big Secret, Raging War, multi-award Ashley's Gift comes next. Running by the rail, Corazon, Double Sunrise, Taal Volcano comes next. And then followed now by Master Maker. Alongside comes Jowo, Creative second last, while Sampalok Baby is racing and less, racing down the backstretch. Oak Hill, a solo flight, leads by about 4 lengths, and in second is Raging War, and in third now is Peter's Pride, then followed now by Run and Gun, multi-awardee. Rushing up down on the inside is Corazon, then next in line is Ashley's Gift. Double Sunrise comes next. Big Secret, Taal Volcano, Master Maker, Creative, then followed now by Sampalok Baby, while Jowo now racing in 14-10. They are now entering the home stretch. You have Oak Hill, Run and Gun, moving up. Corazon down on the inside. Raging War comes next. Peter's Pride as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Corazon, moving up on the outside is Run and Gun. Corazon, Run and Gun is on the outside. Corazon, Run and Gun, and finally Run and Gun, Corazon. Close, Ashley's Gift, Raging War, Oak Hill. Then comes number 12, Peter's Pride.
For our race number 5, our unofficial winner entry number 1, Run and Gun. Mas segundo, 3 natin si Corazon. 9, Raging War. 14, Ashes Gift. Narinig din natin, G's Oak Hill.